super pumped about what we're going to give you and offer you today. I hope you find it incredibly valuable. Sessions to actually just talk to each other about, maybe actually segue into a discussion, talking to someone about it as that big system. It makes actually every single step.
Being able to have the relationship outlined between the estimation and then the functionality of Wunderbuild was really informative and useful.
Doing your sales presentations,
Had an awesome time meeting people, networking with builders, and developing relationships.